It's the place. Now we're making German. Go here. Up left by 1. Left by 2. Down by 1. Left. Up left by 2. Up left by 3. And positive. Up right. Up right by 2. Left by 1. Go here. Down by down right by 1. Up by 1. Right. Left. Left. Up by 1. Left by up by. Use your replacement block. Go to the center. The second block on the three this. Left by 1 and left by 2. Go to the end and back. Put one replacement block and put one block. Here, right here, left by 1, 2, left by 3, down by 1, down, down, right by 1, down, left, right by 2, down by 1, right by 2. This is our progress yet. It's kind of small. Wait, this. Go here. Up left and then up right by 1, left by 3. Up left by up right by 1, left by left by down by 2. Left by 1. By the way, see? Left by 1. On here, just put one block. So this our progress yet. We're making the north. Left by 1. Down by 1. Left by right. This is right. Down by 3. Down left. Down left. Down left by 1. Down right by 1. Down by 2. Down right by 1. Okay, wait. Okay, we're back. Down by 3. Up left by 1. Come here. Left by 1. Up left by 1. Down left by 1. Down by left by 1. Down left by 1. Left by 1. Left down left by 1. Left by 1. Down by 1. Saying while I'm breathing heavy. I run so fast. Down, up, down left, down right by 1, down by 1, down 3, down right by 3, down by 1, right by 1, down by 1, down left. Down left by 1. Left by 1. Down by 1. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4. Down left by 2. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do this looking pattern. Yeah. And make it upside down and it like that. See this? down, down. Let me see that this. Down, up left by one. Down, right by two. Up by two. Down left. Sorry. Down left. Up. Sorry po. Up by. Up by. Up. Up right by one. Up by two. Left by two. Up. Up left by one. Up. Left by two. Okay. This is gonna be easy. Go here to Bell. Go there. Go until you hit this, or you can start here and go to the back. And second, go here to the red of Luxembourg and continue the line. You know why? In the down of it, go yellow country and the down of it and go here. Go right. I forgot to place that. Okay, I'm gonna fill it. This will be your German. Okay. So goodbye. Wait for air Austria and Switzerland.